Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to ProPublica Tax Exempt Search Basics for 501(c)(3) detailed guide step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for ProPublica's Tax Exempt section. Press Enter to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, locate the search bar at the top of the home page. Click on the search bar to activate it. Enter 501(c)(3) into the search bar. Hit the Enter key or click on the search icon. Review the search results that appear on the screen. To get detailed information, click on the name of any organization that interests you. This will take you to a dedicated page for that organization. Here, you will find various details including financials and governance. To refine your search, use the filters available on the left side of the page. Select options that pertain to your specific interests or needs. Once you have selected your filters, click on the Apply button. This will update the search results based on your preferences. If you're looking for specific documents, scroll down to the relevant sections on the page. You may find Form 990s, reports, and other filings that provide insight into the organization's operations. For ongoing updates or new entries, consider creating an account on ProPublica. Look for the Sign Up or Log In option on the top right corner. Follow the prompts to create your account if you don't already have one. After signing in, customize your preferences to receive notifications or updates. Explore additional resources and guides offered by ProPublica to enhance your understanding. You can always return to the home page for more information or to start a new search. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.